people are just crowded around her. She's about to freak out. It keeps on getting louder.
She is getting louder.
We're about to hear the roar.
You hear the roar from the male.
So we hear this kitty sound from the girl. Is she gonna lie down? Oh no! She wants